My name is Doug Williams, and I moved into Rockdale in October of 1979. I still live on the west side of Rockdale. We have some pipes that need to be changed out just because of the material in the pipes, The deal is there's so much mineral lining inside of the pipes that if you have a hole, if something vibrates the pipe, it cuts that stuff loose, and we're putting clean water into dirty pipes. We definitely need to get new pipes. It kind of falls on the heel of the highway project, so it's a little difficult telling people, hey, hang on. It's going to take a while because they just went through what they went through, but it definitely will be better in the end. And it's good to have a heads up. I like how we're doing this as far as putting the word out and letting people know this is coming and this is the area we're going to work on first. Maybe get some alternate traffic routes for you if you know it's coming. But bear with us. It'll be better in the end. As far as water pressure and water cleanliness, it'll be better for us.